So we want to solve this question as we try to understand properties of binary operation. We'll be looking at the commutative property. In this context, we also have the associative. Then we also have the distributive property. But in this tutorial, we will be looking at the commutative property. So we are going to solve a question to check whether or not an operation that has been given to us is commutative. So the question reads: an operation star is defined as a set of real numbers R by, we have A star B. So A operation B being equal to A plus B minus 3AB, where A and then B are all members of the real numbers. Remember, he said this binary operation is basically a closure property of real numbers. So we have to prove or to show whether or not this operation is commutative. If you remember our basic algebra, we are told that for an operation to be commutative, then it means that the left hand side should be equal to the right hand side. For example, in this operation, we can say this operation is commutative, then A operation B should be equal to B operation A, right? Good. And according to the rule, we are told that for the left hand side, so like I said, the left hand side should be equal to the right hand side, right? So for us to do it straightforward, we can continue by saying, what do we get for the left hand side? According to the rule, we add the first term and the second term, then we subtract 3 times the product of the first and then the second term, right? So that's for the left hand side. On the right hand side, we have B, so this should be A operation B, right? Let's get it right. Then for the right hand side, our B is the first term, so B comes first plus A minus 3 times B times our A, and that is B operation A. So the next thing we do is that we compare. Okay, let's simplify and make them presentable. So the left hand side is going to be A plus B minus 3AB. Right hand side is going to be plus A minus 3BA. So we compare the right hand side to the right hand side to the left hand side. The left hand side to the right hand side. So let's check. We have A plus B. A plus B with the left hand side, B plus A is there. Then we have negative 3AB, negative 3BA is what? Also there. So this means that this operation is commutative. So therefore, the operation star is commutative. Good. So this is how you go by it. You're given an operation sign. The first thing you do is to establish the rule where we say A operation B being equal to A plus B minus 3AB. And we are told that both elements A, B are members of the real numbers. So if they are commutative, then it means that if you interchange the position of the first and second, then the answer should be the same. You know, the first one is assumed to be the left hand side. The second one is assumed to be the right hand side. So we expand for the first. The left hand side is our original rule, and then we also expand for the right hand side, which is having this, the first term being second and second term being first second. And so we compare the left hand and right hand side are equal. Then we see that the operation is what? Commutative. Thank you for watching.